Hello everyone, I am Aarti AS. Namo Namaha. Welcome back to my channel Sanskrit in English. The book I am teaching from is the textbook of 8th standard Sampurna Sanskritam Amodah of Maharashtra State Board. It is perfect for beginners too. In previous tutorials you studied about namani, that means nouns, and their forms with meanings. Today you are going to study Sarvanamani, means pronouns. So what is Sarvanama? Sarvanama means nama padasya sthane prayuktam padam sarvanama iti uchyate. That means the word used in place of a noun is called a pronoun. Sarvanam means pronoun. Let's see some sentences to understand how pronoun is used. Rameshah shalam gacchati. Ramesh is going to school. Now instead of Ramesh, we use pronoun sah because he is a boy, and we have to use pronoun also in masculine gender. So sah shalam gacchati. He is going to school. So instead of Ramesha we use Saha. Again Rameshah grantham pathati. Means Ramesh is reading a book. Instead of Rameshah we use Saha. Saha grantham pathati. He is reading a book. Rameshah prashnam pruchhati. Ramesh asks a question. So, Saha prashnam pruchhati means he asks a question. Rameshah geetam gayati. Ramesh is singing a song. Saha geetam gayati means he is singing a song. Rameshah suresham vadati. Ramesh tells Suresh. So, Saha suresham vadati. He tells Suresh. So, in all these sentences, when we say Saha, we are replacing the word Rameshah. Rameshah is a akaranta pullinga shabda. So, we are using pronoun also in masculine form, ekvachanam, Saha. In this, Rameshah is nama, pullinga, and Saha is a sarvanam. Also, Eshah is Sarvanam for Pullinga Ekvachanam. Then for Strilingam, Jaya Nama. And we can use Sa or Esha as a Sarvanama in sentence. For Napusakaling, Pushpam, Pushpam is a Nama. And Tad or Etad are Sarvanam for Napusakalinga Ekvachanam. In this part, we are going to study Uttama Purusha Vachakam Sarvanam Asmad and Madhyam Purusha Vachakam Sarvanam Yushmad. Asmad means I and Yushmad means you. Asmad is Uttama Purusha Vachaka Sarvanam. In English, Uttama Purusha means first person. And in English, Madhyam Purusha means second person. Let's see first Uttam Purusha Vachakam Sarvanam Asmad. Asmad means I. Trishu Lingeshu Samanam means same for all three genders. These forms are same for all three genders. Here Vibhakti, Ekvachanam, Vivachanam and Bahuvachanam. These forms are Ekvachanam forms. These are dual forms, Vivachanam forms, and these are Bahuvachanam forms, means plural forms. In Prathama Vibhakti, Aham means I, Avam means we too, and Vayam means all of us or we all. So Prathama Vibhakti is Aham, Avam, Vayam. Dvitiya Vibhakti, Mam athva Ma means to me, Avam athva Nau means to both of us, Asman athva Nah means to all of us. So Dvitiya Vibhakti is mam, avam, asman. Tritiya Vibhakti maya, maya means by me, avabhyam means by both of us, and asmabhihi means by all of us. So Tritiya Vibhakti is maya, avabhyam, asmabhihi. Chaturthi Vibhakti मह्यम अथवा में, आवाभ्याम अथवा नौ, and अस्मभ्यम अथवा नह. मह्यम means for me, avabhyam means for both of us, and asmabhyam means for all of us. So Chaturthi Vibhakti is मह्यम, avabhyam, asmabhyam. Panchami Vibhakti mat means from me, avabhyam means from both of us, and asmat means from all of us. So Panchami Vibhakti is mat, avabhyam, asmat. Shashti Vibhakti mama अथवा me means my, avayoho अथवा नौ means are, means for dual, two persons. Asmakam अथवा नह means are for more than two persons, means for plural form. So Shashti Vibhakti is mama, avayoho, asmakam. Saptami Vibhakti mai means in or on me, avayoho means in or on both of us, and asmasu means in or on all of us. So Saptami Vibhakti is mai, avayoho, asmasu. In these forms ma, nau, me, etc. are mostly used in verses. Have you heard a prayer? Sahana vavatu sahanau bhunaktu. Sahanau bhunaktu means may we both relish in learning. Now Madhyam Purushavachakam Sarvanam Yushmat. Yushmat means you. Trishu Lingeshu Samanam. These forms are same for all three genders. In Prathama Vibhakti of Yushmat Shabda Ekvachanam Tvam. Tvam means you. Dvivachanam Yuvam means you too. And Bahuvachanam Yuyam means all of you. Tvam, Yuvam, Yuyam. This is Prathama Vibhakti. Now Dvitiya Vibhakti Tvam अथवा Tva meaning to you. Yuvam अथवा Vam meaning to you too. And Yushman अथवा Vah meaning to all of you. So Dvitiya Vibhakti is Tvam, Yuvam, Yushman. Then Tritiya Vibhakti Tvaya. Tvaya means by you. Yuvabhyam means by you too. And Yushmabhihi means by all of you. Tritiya Vibhakti is Tvaya, Yuvabhyam, Yushmabhihi. Chaturthi Vibhakti Tubhyam अथवा te meaning for you. Yuvabhyam अथवा vam means for both of you. And Yushmabhyam अथवा vah means for all of you. So Chaturthi Vibhakti is Tubhyam, Yuvabhyam, Yushmabhyam. Panchami Vibhakti Tvat means from you. Yuvabhyam means from both of you. Yushmat means from all of you. So Panchami Vibhakti is Tvat, Yuvabhyam, Yushmat. Shashti Vibhakti Tava अथवा te meaning your. Yuvayoho अथवा vam means your for two persons, mean dual form. Yushmakam अथवा vah your for plural, bahuvachanam, more than two persons. So Shashti Vibhakti is Tava, Yuvayoho, Yushmakam. Saptami Vibhakti Tvai means in or on you. Yuvayoho means in or on you too. Yushmasu means in or on all of you. So Saptami Vibhakti is Tvai, Yuvayoho, Yushmasu. In the next tutorial, we will study Prathama Purusha Vachakani Sarvanamani Tad, Yad, Etad and Kim. Link to the playlist has been given in the description box. If you like my teaching, then please like, share and subscribe my channel Sanskrit in English. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Namo Namaha, Punah Milamah, Dhanyavadah.